Hi, boys and girls. Please write your name at the top of your paper. This week we are focusing on number lines to help us subtract. So we will do the front side together, and then I want you to try the back side on your own to make sure that you're able to do the strategy without any help, okay? So we put our pencil on 8 and we count back 4. And the answer is 4. This is also a backwards double. We know that 4 plus 4 is 8, so 8 minus 4 is 4. Okay, let's put our pencils on 6 and count back 2. The answer is 4. 7 minus 3. Put your pencil on 7, count back 3. What's the answer? It's 4. The next one is 2 minus 1. And that's also a backwards double. The next one, 10 minus 8, that's going to be a 10 friend. So what is 8's 10 friend? It's 2. Let's check it on our number line and see if we got it right. Start on 10 and count back 8. Yep, we got it right. The next one is 9. Count back 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer is 5. 5 minus 2, put your pencils on 5. Count back 2. What's the answer? It's 3. 4 minus 3, these are neighbors on the number line. See, here's 4 and here's 3. Anytime you subtract a number neighbor, the answer will be 1. But let's just try it, make sure we're right. 4 minus 3. 1, 2, 3. Yep, we were right. 7 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 2. And the last problem is 8 minus 1. 7. All right, now on the back side, you have numbers that go all the way up to 20. So these are a little bit harder, but the strategy is the same. Just start on the first number and count back the second number. So like, for example, 12 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 7. So I want you to push pause on the video and then try these problems. Then push play and check them with my answers to make sure they're correct. Go ahead and push pause. All right, did you try it? Let's check. 16 minus 9 is 7. 11 minus 2 is 9. 14 minus 6 is 8. 13 minus 4 is 9. 10 minus 3 is 7. Those are 10 friends. 11 minus 7 is 3. No, it's not. Sorry. It's not 3. It's 4. 17 minus 8 is 9. And 15 minus 5 is 10. So how did you do? Were you able to get those problems on your own? Nice job, boys and girls. Go ahead and turn it into your teacher.